Welcome to our channel. Having trouble with the Walmart app? Follow these proven solutions to fix loading issues and checkout errors for smooth shopping experience. Step 1. Force quit the Walmart app completely. Swipe it away from your recent apps to ensure it's fully closed before reopening. Step 2. Check your internet connection speed. Walmart app requires stable connectivity for loading products and processing checkout. Step 3. Clear the app's cache and data. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Walmart, Storage, then clear cache to remove corrupted files. Step 4. Update the Walmart app immediately. Outdated versions often have bugs that cause loading and checkout problems. Step 5. Verify your payment methods are current. Expired cards or incorrect billing information can cause checkout failures. Step 6. Log out and log back into your account. This refreshes your session and often resolves persistent errors. Step 7. Check location permissions for store-specific features. The app needs location access for store pickup and local inventory. Step 8. Delete and reinstall the app if issues continue. A fresh installation eliminates all corrupted data and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.